Students, in the continuation of this topic cryobank, the next is the fertility. Cryobanks are likely to have a big role in the future of surrogacy and fertility more broadly. Storing the eggs, sperms, and embryos can prove to be incredibly useful for fertility treatments. Should multiply attempts to require stored material within a cryobank can reduce the time and effort to take a continued procedure. Stored embryos can also be tested for genetic abnormalities and diseases prior to implantation. This is called the pre-implantation genetic diagnosis (PGD). For anyone who wants to postpone starting a family cryobank services can provide assurance for your future. Preserving your genetic material allow couples to decide with more certainty when will a good time to have a child. Sperm, egg, and embryos that have been preserved do not degrade or lose their virility, giving you ability to choose the best time without compromising the health of your family. Next is health and wellness. The stem cell cryobank storage has given way to an impressive advancement called bioinsurance. This is the new term, as you have commonly known as the commonly called the life insurance. Now this is called bioinsurance. With bioinsurance, people are now capable of storing their own stem cells. Stem cells are essentially building blocks of every part of your body. These cells exist within a person throughout their lifetime. Stem cells are non-specialized, which means they can become almost anything. Should your functional cells become damaged or aged, young stem cells can be collected at any age. These cells can be used to regenerate and heal damaged skin, bones, neurons, capillaries, and many other functional parts of our bodies. Having these cells preserved before they are needed can help ensure a better recovery from the trauma or the illness. Preventative medicines. The uncertainty of the unknown can weigh heavily upon most of us, but if you or some you love is facing invasive medical treatment such as chemotherapy, vasectomy, or tubal ligation, it is wise to store as much healthy and material. Should your cells become damaged, or should you change your mind about the production? Another excellent reason to store the genetic material and stem cells is if you are at a higher risk of trauma. Many course carriers today put people at risk of physical harm. If your career choice could increase the likelihood or physical harm or fertility, preserving your cells may be a way to prevent future and difficulty. So why choose a cryobank? The next question arises, क्यों चुना जाना चाहिए? We choose the coverage of our vehicle. Should we get into at an accident? We choose health plans. Should we get sick? And we have policies that protect our homes from unforeseen disasters. Why would not we choose to protect our own legacy and lineage to some way? Making a decision to choose a cryobank and cryobank services should not be any more difficult than picking out the coverage. Protecting our well-being from the uncertainty of time is one of the simplest choice we can make. Cryobanks are capable of storing and cultivating hundreds of millions of cells at one time. No one should have to choose between creating a child or surviving a cancer. The advancement in the cryobanks technologies are exceptionally promising, with the possibilities to treat degenerative illness like multiple sclerosis or Alzheimer's disease. So students, this is all over about the cryobank. And this topic, this is mainly concerned in the human science. Likewise, it is can be used for the preservation of the plant genetic material for the endangered species for future cultivation. The plants which are going to be disappear, so their genetic material can be preserved in such cryobanks, and in the suitable time and the suitable places they can grow and cultivate and multiply, and increasing the number of the plants also. So you can easily understand that the cryobank is a place where the genetic material of the living beings is stored, and the new plantlets or new generation can be continued with the help of this generation.